Chapter 9. How to read your chart. Step by step. Putting the cosmic puzzle together. You've got your chart. You know the signs, the houses, and the planets. Now let's connect the dots. This is your easy 5-step guide to reading your birth chart. No big words, no stress. Step 1. Find your big 3. Use the chart data to find your sun sign, who you are becoming; moon sign, how you feel inside; rising sign, ascendant, how others see you and where your chart begins. These 3 give you a big picture vibe. Write them down first. Step 2. Notice which signs show up a lot. Look at the chart wheel or chart table. Do you have many planets in the same sign? Examples: lots of fire signs, you're energetic and bold; mostly earth, you're practical and grounded; mostly water, you're deep and sensitive; mostly air, you're curious and social. Color code by element to see your patterns. Step 3. Match each planet to a sign and a house. This is the secret sauce. Every planet in your chart will be in one sign, how it acts; one house, where it shows up. Use this sentence pattern. My planet in sign in the house number house means I. Summary. Example: my Mars in Leo in the 5th house means I take bold action in creativity and love. You can do this for every planet. Step 4. Use the cheat sheets. Flip back to Chapter 6 for zodiac signs, Chapter 7 for houses, Chapter 8 for planets. Mix and match meanings. It's like a build-your-own personality story. Your chart, Sanka, your personalized energy recipe. Step 5. Look for balance. Ask, do I have more planets in the top of my chart? I'm focused on the outside world. Do I have more planets in the bottom? I'm more inward or private. Do I have a planet near the rising sign, 1st house? That energy is strong in me. You don't need to know aspects yet. Just look at planets, plus signs, plus houses for now. Example: walkthrough. Planet sign house, meaning Sun Taurus. 10th, hard-working, shines in career, Moon Cancer. 12th, deep feelings, needs alone time. Rising, Virgo. 1st, comes across calm, smart, helpful, Mars. Leo. 11th, bold leader in group settings. You don't need to be perfect. Just notice patterns and vibes. Did you know? You don't have to read your whole chart at once. Even just knowing your big 3 gives you powerful insight.